All right, so now number 7. It's 14 CFR Part 43. 14 CFR Part 43. Where would you find the recommended statement for recording the approval or disapproval for a return to service of an aircraft after a 100-hour annual inspection? You'll find it in 14 CFR Part 43. 14 CFR Part 43. So if you're looking for a specific statement how to approve or disapprove a return to service, it will be found for a 100-hour or annual inspection. You will find it in the 14 CFR Part 43. Number 8, it's 10 hours. 10 hours. The maximum time an 100-hour aircraft inspection may be extended is what? 10 hours. We just went through that. Okay? Very important. Maximum 100-hour inspection may be extended by 10 hours. Number 9. An appropriately rated mechanic may repair the defects and approve the aircraft for return to service. An appropriately rated mechanic may repair the defects and approve the aircraft for return to service. So, which statement is correct when the aircraft is not being approved for return to service after an annual inspection because of several items requiring a minor repair? An appropriately rated mechanic may repair the defects and approve for return to service. All right? This is minor repair. A minor repair can be done by an appropriately rated mechanic, and a minor repair can be returned to service by the same person, an appropriately rated mechanic. Okay? Number 10, if a special permit has been issued for the aircraft, if a special permit has been issued for the aircraft, an aircraft that is due an annual inspection may be flown if a special permit has been issued for the aircraft. You need to ask permission, usually about a ferry flight. An aircraft that is due an annual inspection may be flown if a special permit has been issued for the aircraft. Number 11, airframe and power plant ratings. Airframe and power plant ratings. For an individual, not a repair station, to conduct a complete 100-hour inspection on an aircraft and approve it for return to service, it requires the mechanic certificate with a airframe and power plant rating. An airframe and power plant rating. So a 100-hour inspection can be done by a certified mechanic with a airframe and power plant rating. Number 12, 14 CFR Part 91. 14 CFR Part 91. Where would you find the operating conditions that make a 100-hour inspection mandatory? You will find them in 14 CFR Part 91. 14 CFR Part 91. You will find in the 100-hour inspection mandatory operating conditions in 14 CFR Part 91. All right, number 13. In accordance with an inspection program authorized under Federal Aviation Part 91. Subpart E. In accordance with inspection program authorized under Federal Aviation Regulations, or FARs, Part 91, Subpart E. So, large airplanes and turbine-powered multi-engine airplanes operated under FAR Part 91, general operating and flight rules must be inspected in accordance with an inspection program authorized under FAR or Federal Aviation Regulations Part 91 Subpart E. Okay? In accordance with Federal Aviation Regulations Part 91 Subpart E. Take another quiz and I'll see you soon.